Good day, dear ladies and gentlemen. Today I would like to introduce you to the newest Russian Grom high-speed strike unmanned air vehicle. The Grom UAV is operated as a wingman with frontline fighters in a forward attack echelon. The UAV is also intended for detection and distraction of tactical and local air defense system, engagement of ground targets with high-pressure guided weapons in tactical and operational depth, engagement of surface and coastal objects, and performing air reconnaissance. Grom high-speed strike UAV shows one of the best figures in similar class. It has a wingspan of 10 meters and weight of 5,000 kilos. Due to effective constructive ideas, the maximum speed is 1,000 km per hour. Cruise speed is 800 km per hour. Maximum altitude is 12,000 meters, and its combat range is 700 kilometers. Grom UAV has 4 harm points, 1 under each wing and 2 inside payload bay. The maximum combat payload is 2,000 kilos. The application of guided missiles and air bombs with a caliber from 100 to 500 kilos with laser, satellite and TV guided systems is provided. The control of the UAV is ensured from the ground control station.